Let's take a look at replacing the blower motor resistor on a Jeep Cherokee. Now this is a 1993 model, but a lot of these are quite similar. And the customer concern is that the blower motor only works in the high position. So we're underneath the dash on the passenger side of the vehicle. I've removed the sound barrier, the knee bolster here, just so you can see a little bit better. But I'm going to disconnect the electrical connector here. I'm going to take my swivel sockets, my 1/4-inch ratchet, and an extension here, and simply remove these two screws. Now in some cases it might be necessary to remove the fresh air door actuator here. I think we can sneak this screw around it. So once we get that out, we'll remove the other screw. So we've got our two screws out. We can grab a hold of it and sneak it out of the door here. And you see the different resistor coils inside of there. Now we'll take our new one and install it into place. Make sure it's got this foam protector there, because this goes in the air passageway here, and we don't want any air leaks in the HVAC system when we're all done. So we're going to slide this into place, take our two screws and tighten them up and retest. So we'll just snug these bolts into place here. Make sure it's sealed up good and properly. We'll plug in our electrical connector, and then we'll retest the system to make sure that the fan is going to work on all the speeds. So as we turn the fan to the low position, well, right away I can tell you there's an issue here, and that's a good reason why we need to replace the fan or the blower motor at the same time as we replace the resistor. If you hear the resistance in that fan, it's making a lot of noise here, and I'm quite certain that's what burned up the original resistor. So to prevent premature failure of our new resistor, it's time to go in and replace that blower motor as well. Make sure that we're preventing a comeback. We need to do the job right.